Catch me if you can. Wow. Wow. You were really smart, Destiny. You're like, wait, there's no more holding on. Wow. Yeah. Very smart. You're like, yeah, I'm a smart cookie. Yeah, you are very smart. Wow. I'm not there.
I know I'm not.
On my ways and catch me if you can. Take me my hand. Wow. I'm on my ways and catch me if you can. She's almost to the top. It's like on the third to the one, like 3 more steps and she'll be out on the little landing.
Well, she better be careful. We don't want her to fall. That'd really not be good if she fell.
Yeah.
I want to take a nap again. JK.
You're tired? Seriously?
Not really.
Holy crap. She made it. Wait, Destiny! Now I gotta come up. Now it looks all... Yeah? You gonna go up the last 3 steps? Me? Can you go around in circles? Wow, you're smart, Destiny. Yeah. You made it. You made it all the way to the top. To the tippy top. Yeah. Yeah. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say no, I'm going to go back down the stairs. Say, I can't figure out how to get down. Destiny!